It's your doorsteps today being the 6th of September 2022, and I decide to bring you to the Erin waterfall, one of the popular tourist centers we have in Nigeria here. So I am here with a few of my wonderful friends, the doctors and everyone. Well done. So I'm here with my wonderful people. If you can see this video, kindly love and share. Thank you for joining live. This is Nigeria tourist attraction. Thanks for sharing. Please share this broadcast. Encourage me, share this broadcast. The Erin waterfall. Drop a comment. The water is coming from the top part. The water is coming from the top part. We have beautiful people here. Okay, we have other media houses. We have the gallery department. Okay, let me say. Thanks for joining live. Thanks for joining live. Wow, I think I'm seeing the rainbow. Can you see the rainbow here? Wow, this is so beautiful. I'm seeing the rainbow here. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh wow. So I'll be taking you through. It has so many steps. This is the first stage. Then we proceed into the second stage. Tourist attraction yes, I'm live and I have people that has joined me. KOIKIMEDIA. So whatever you have to say about the tourist attraction, and now it can be, modernized. So thanks for joining live.
Like seriously,
I'm in transport mode.
Night lights here is going to be okay.
Night lights, that's okay. Okay.
Come on, baby.
Okay.
Like if you fall forward, you're not stopping.
Okay, double up. No, move up. Okay, yeah, double up. No, play that that anthem. I am talking, you are walking. Now move it.
Double up.
So I want you to drop a comment if you're watching this. So we're moving ahead. I just keep more. Oh, so mommy, I go to wow.
You don't sit down for that place.
You're welcome. I want you to share this broadcast. You are wrong. I am talking, you are walking. Doctor, double up, move fast. Move fast, double up. So, doctor, introduce yourself. Tell the people your name.
Dr. Imdan.
Okay, from...
I'm so tired. I'm a graduate of medicine and surgery.
Wow, that's beautiful.
From the University of Jos.
Wow, that's beautiful.
In Nigeria.
Wow.
Yeah.
So this is Doctor, and we just passed out our NYC together yesterday, and we decided to go on tour to this wonderful tourist attraction. Mama, you don't pull off cloth already.
We want to go to number 2.
Mama, we still there number 1, no?
No, not
wow. So for him to have owed you like that, that shows that out of the 3 offenses, you are removing 1, remaining 2. Sorry. Yeah. Now waiting. Yeah. My bono. My bono. Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí KOIKIMEDIA bringing the work closer to your doorsteps. Ìdùnnú ńlá ló jẹ́ fún mi láti mú eléyìí wá sí etí ìgbọ́ yín àti fún àwòrán yín. Tourist attraction náà ni Hawaii. So I'm just going to be going off live.
Which one did they follow? Which one is what?
It's for what?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which one is the best one?
They are managed. Italy swim.
Is it fine? He said that it's fine.